Here's a classic provincial exam question that can be very confusing if you don't understand function notation. So let's just remember function notation. I've got a point. The point is 6, negative 12. Really what I've got here is I've got a value for x. And this value here, the y value, is f of x. That's function notation. Our input x, our output is f of x. And we know that y equals f of x. That's the way we usually write it. Oops. What am I doing? Well, the only thing we know about this particular function is that when x is 6, y, or f of x, is negative 12. If you give me any other value for x, I am incapable of telling you anything about y. So, for this particular question, it says, what is the value of y? When the input to the function, input, is negative 1/3 x plus 6. So the only time I can tell you anything about this new function is when its input, this number here, is equal to 6. Because when the input is equal to 6, I can tell you the corresponding value of y. It's there. So I need the input to my new function, one of these guys right there, to equal this original value of x6. If, when I take this new value of x, I put it in here, and I get the input to this function being a value of 6, I'll then be able to tell you the output is negative 12. As you can see, all of these are negative 12. So negative 1/3 x plus 6 must equal my original input, 6. I do a little bit of algebra, I subtract 6 from both sides. This one is a bit reductive, isn't it? Negative 1/3 x equals 0, so clearly x must also equal 0. And as you can see, c, that's an x value of 0. Let's just try it out. This is my point, 0, negative 12. Is that point on the graph? Well, y needs to be f of negative 1/3 x plus 6. The y value of negative 12 must be f of negative 1/3 x plus 0 plus 6. Negative 12 must equal f of negative 1/3 times 0 is 0, and 0 plus 6 is 6. So I'm looking for negative 12 to equal f of 6. F of 6, we know, is negative 12. So we get negative 12 equals 12, and that's correct. So we're happy with our answer of